Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can edit your video by cutting it or trim it. So if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So this is my test video, and let's say I want to cut it or trim it. I would use this option. I would click on this icon. So it basically a editing mode where you can cut and trim your videos. Click on this and then hover it over your video. Let's say I want to cut this part of the video. I'm gonna hover it over here and then hover it over here and then click back to the mouse icon and then click on the edited portion, and then I can delete this portion by hitting backspace. And that is how you can cut a video. And once you cut this video, you can click on this blank space and then click on the backspace to make a video as a whole video together. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.